Hello, today's lesson is 15-4, and the name of the lesson is Units of Weight. You've learned how to measure the capacity of a container. Today you'll learn how to measure how heavy an object is. We talked about what other objects were that weighed about as much as our math book, and students had lots of good ideas of things that weighed about as much as the math book. We talked about what weight means. Weight of an object is a measure of how heavy it is. If somebody wants to know how heavy something is, they want to know how much it weighs. At the bottom of the screen there is a table that shows customary units of weight. Today's lesson is about customary units, not metric units of weight. So in the customary unit system we have a pound, which is abbreviated as LB. We found out that's from a Latin word for pound. And that is equal to 16 ounces. So 16 ounces, which is abbreviated as OZ, is equal to 1 pound. 1 ton is another unit, and it's huge. It's equal to 2,000 pounds. And the ton is abbreviated with a capital T. Just to give you a sense of what weighs an ounce, 5 quarters weigh about 1 ounce. Here's some other things that weigh about an ounce, about a pound, and about a ton. What unit would you use to measure the weight of this object? Would you use ounces or pounds or tons? We would use ounces to measure a calculator like this. What about this object? What would you use to weigh this object? About an ounce, about a pound, or about a ton? Probably about a pound on a loaf of bread. We looked at some pages from Wikipedia that showed some of the heaviest land mammals, and we were really impressed with the African elephant that weighs 14,432 pounds. Wow. Every animal on this page weighs a ton or more. Even the Cape buffalo down at the bottom right still weighs 1 ton. He weighs 2,000 pounds. Wow. That was it for today.